let's do this example without completing the square. You're given the equation, let's see here, it is, oops, y equals negative 3x squared minus 12x minus 7, and it asks us to find the vertex, focus, directrix, without completing square. Solution. First, let's find h. H equals negative b over 2 times a. Now, what's negative b? And what is that? Well, this is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we can identify what a, b, and c is by looking at the given equation. So h is equal to negative b. B was negative 12 over 2 times negative 3. So that's positive 12 over 6. 12 over 6 is over negative 6. 12 over negative 6, which is a negative 2. And we have, for k equals f of h. And we just found h, so it's f of negative 2. And you're going, but what's f? It's this guy right here. It's f of x equals negative 3x squared minus 12x minus 7. Okay, so let's continue. F negative 2 is negative 3 times negative 2 squared plus, not plus, minus, negative 12 times negative 2 minus 7. So that's equal to negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, and this becomes a double negative, so it's positive 24 minus 7. So k is equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. Okay, thus the vertex hk is equal to negative 2, 5. Vertex. Alright, now let's find the focus. Let's see. We can start the sketch to get an idea about where the focus is. So we've got negative 2 here. We've got 5 up here somewhere. So this vertex is located at this location. And the a value, a is equal to negative 3 from the given equation, and that implies sad face. So we know this thing is going to be opening downward. So we can do our dotted line here going through the vertex. Okay, and we know from the picture, since it's going down, it's going to wrap around its focus. So the focus will be down here, and the directrix will be up here. And we also know that they're the same distance away from the vertex, and that's the absolute value of p distance. This distance down, that's the absolute value of p. So we need to find the distance so we can locate the point for the focus and the line for the directrix. We have an equation that says a equals 1 over 4 times p. So in this case, since we know a is negative 3 equals 1 over 4 times p. Multiply both sides by the LCD for p, and you get negative 12 p equals 1, and that tells you that p equals negative 112. And that implies that the absolute value of p, that distance, is a positive 112. Okay, so looking at the picture, thus, the location of the focus is the ordered pair xy equals, well, the x-coordinate is negative 2. The same x-coordinate as the vertex, v, right there. But the difference is that the y-coordinate is lower. It's actually the original y-coordinate for the vertex, which was 5, minus the absolute value of p, which is 112, because we're moving down, we subtract. So that's negative 2, comma, and 5 is the same as, let's see, 60 12, so this is 60 minus 1 over 12, and that's the ordered pair, negative 2 over next to 59 twelfths. Xy equals negative 2, comma, 59 twelfths. That's the focus. And the directrix, well, the directrix is the equation of a horizontal line, so it has the equation x equals some number. Okay, so you can see from the picture the directrix is the absolute value of p units above, so the y-coordinate that it goes through, the dotted horizontal line, it goes through 5 plus the absolute value of p. So y equals 5 plus the absolute value of p, which is equal to 5 plus 1/12. Again, 5 is the same as 60 over 12 plus 1/12. So y equals 61/12. If I could, I would simplify that, but that's not necessary here. So we've got our vertex, we've got our focus here, and we've got our directrix here. And we didn't even complete the square. We are finished.